Hi, today we're back at Mantelli Sales and we're going to look at the Flagstaff Epro E19FBS front bed by Forest River. This comes with the Wi-Fi Ranger, which is a Wi-Fi router booster. It's wired for solar. And it has an inverter. It also comes with the tire monitoring system. And the tires are filled with nitrogen. It comes standard with the stairs. It folds up and in. I'm not going to put it all the way up in so that I don't put gravel in there. This has a power awning with LED lights. It also has the speakers, outside speaker. Storage is locked up still. It has manual leveling jacks on the four sides. There's this where you hook in your solar. It has a power jack in the front. It's got its propane bottles and battery box. If we look up front here, it has LED lights on the front cap. Full fiberglass front cap. Also has some LED lights up in the top corners. Over here we have our cable and satellite connectors. We have our city water, and this is where you winterize it from. This here is to fill your onboard tank. You have your hot water tank. A full-size slide out the side for out the back. This is the outside shower. This is your black tank flush and where you connect your power into. And down below is our tank drains. It does have LED lights. It's wired for a backup camera. And this here is where your refrigerator is on the inside. There is a ladder, a fully walkable roof with the air conditioning on top. When we come in here, right away quick, to your left-hand side, we have a Dometic refrigerator, a very small freezer in the top. Has a furnace down below, there's CO2 and propane detector. So it's a microwave oven on the top. In the bathroom, right as soon as you get in. Ooh, it's porcelain flush toilet.
Showermeiser?
It has a showermeiser installed. Well, this camper comes with very nice colors. It's more of a modern neutral color scheme that they have. And there's a jackknife sofa that slides out in the slide. And there's a table in the back that comes out and sets out in front that you can put in front or take it outside to use. That would be your, is that the inverter? That's the inverter. Thermostat. In the kitchen, up above, I have two big cabinets up above. We have a full oven on the bottom.
It's a big oven.
That's a really pretty good size oven there. And a 3-burner cook stove. Stainless steel sink. Place to put your sponges. Really pretty good sized drawer. Made out of plywood, not particle board. There's a cabinet underneath the stove. Next to the kitchen is the entertainment center. You have your stereo system up on the top. You have your television that can come out so that you can watch it in either on the couch or on the bed. Little cabinet underneath. I have a Dometic air conditioner up in the top. It also does the heating. And a queen size bed. Shelving up above. That'd be the thing for the antenna. And then so we just finished this one up, and if you liked it, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed already, go ahead and do that. Hit that notification bell so that you know when we're doing our next one. And give us some comments. If you have any questions, leave them down below. We want to thank Mantelli Sales again for allowing us to go ahead and do these reviews on the campers. And we'll talk to you later. Bye.